Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an in-depth analytical evaluation of ChatbotApp AI, a prominent market aggregator designed to solve premium software subscription fatigue by packing the world's most advanced large language models into one single app interface. If you are a digital creator, developer, or casual AI enthusiast, you are likely feeling completely overwhelmed by fragmented monthly billing, forcing you to maintain separate $20 accounts for OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and xAI just to test changing model capabilities. ChatbotApp completely breaks this restrictive economic bottleneck by serving as a unified AI super subscription, granting you instant, unthrottled access to a massive flagship roster that includes OpenAI GPT 5.1, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, and Grok from a centralized dashboard. Behind the scenes, the application utilizes official high-speed API keys rather than unstable web scrapers, ensuring that your text interactions retain full conversational memory, rapid processing speeds, and maximum data safety protocols. Beyond text-based reasoning and complex coding support, the software incorporates premium next-generation image generation models directly into the standard interface, allowing you to instantly swap your generation engine from DALL-E over to Flux or QWen image mid-session to achieve the exact graphic styling, lighting vectors, or sharp typographic layouts your project demands. While traditional powerhouses like the official ChatGPT or Gemini mobile apps dominate the ecosystem for platform-native features like real-time voice modes and integrated cloud storage, they lock you entirely into their single proprietary training framework. ChatbotApp provides complete conceptual agility, letting you instantly cross-verify complex data synthesis, draft scripts, or debug software logic across competing algorithmic architectures simultaneously, without shifting windows or managing credit token structures. For users trying to scale their workflows efficiently while minimizing software expenses, deploying a multi-model aggregator is an exceptional strategic framework to unlock total creative mobility. Evaluate your daily generation volume, determine if you are ready to consolidate your scattered AI tooling into a single streamlined dashboard, and select this aggregate system to fully optimize your tech stacks. Subscribe the channel for more videos.